So we're trying to get to the thrift store, but the thrift store is on the other side of the train and it's been going for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, tell me why it's been going for 10 minutes, Kelsey.
Because there's a train!
But why 10 minutes?
Is this a long train? I don't know.
It's very slow. Look at all the John Deere tractors that were on it.
And I'm assuming it's gonna slow down and like it's probably gonna back up. So we were over here horsing around on these things, like these old-fashioned gas pump things, and we took some pictures. Here's some of the pictures that we took. Oh, also, this is Heather. You guys, she's been in one other episode. Like, it's been like 2 years. She makes her return. We went to an Adam Sandler concert together in Detroit. Remember that, Heather?
We had a good time. And
We
got to see Adam Sandler get out of his car.
well, actually, yeah. Well, he
No.
the fan. I seemed like he was really annoyed at the fans, though.
Yeah.
Did he seem like he completely like he wouldn't buy them?
Real deal is I made a wrong turn.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, but that was cool because we got to see that.
Yep.
Yes, about the end of the train is coming. We reached our destination at the Presbyterian thrift store. It better be worth it. Only money if it was closed. Yeah, so we're in the thrift store right now. And we're looking around. Wow. A Michigan mug in Illinois. Oh, that's crazy.
Epilogue.
So we encountered another train,